Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another daily dash. It is very late in the day. It's like, what is it, 5:54. I was not going to do a daily dash today, but we are totally going to do one because I was like, man, we're out of water. I got to go get some water real quick. And I'm like, man, I'm just going to log into Doordash and see if I get an order on the way. First thing that pops up is a Papa John's order that goes from just like half a mile south of my house right over to where the water place is. So basically the objective of today's dash is we're gonna make $9 on the way there. It's $8.97, so we're gonna make that on the way there, and then we're going to try to get an order on the way back. So try to make this as convenient as possible. Oh yeah, you can tell that it is sunset right now and I'm filming because that sun is just blaring right in my face. And there's almost a cloud that's going to cover it. But anyways, so yeah, this is just how I kind of like set my dashes. If you guys are new to the channel, I try to make them as convenient as possible and try to just do dashing on the way. So that way I'm not really adding any extra miles to my car that I was not going to drive anyways. You know, I try to just keep the miles low on my car. It's a rather expensive car and it gets horrible gas mileage. So this is just the way I kind of like to try to make money. And it's also 5:55 right now, which is pretty much the prime time to make money, especially it's like dinner time is just starting and it's a plus $2 right now. So I feel like we can get some pretty good orders. Anyways, be right back. Gonna pick up this Papa John's order. All right, got the order. It is some pizza that smells really damn good. And for those who have complained that I never use a hot bag, I got a pizza hot bag right here, ready for you guys. Not ready for you guys, right here for you guys. Boom, boom. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We're being a responsible dasher today. Pizza smells really damn good from Papa John's. I love Papa John's. Not gonna lie, I wish I could eat pizza every day. I love pizza. What is your guys', comment down below, what is your guys' favorite food? Now, like, it can be any food. Like, what's your, let's not say favorite food, let's say you're like, food that you like to like splurge on, you know, like what food, like is it ice cream, like a dessert, or let me know in the comments down below what food if you could just pick, if you didn't eat for like 2 days, and at the end of those 2 days there was one thing at the end of the line, what food would it be? Let me know in the comments down below. Anyways, so I'm also chewing gum, by the way. I never chew gum, like literally never chew gum, but I'm trying to fix that jawline like I said before. And I am about to do something illegal and make a left turn. Hold on, be right back. This is illegal. Alright, just made an illegal left turn because I did not want to go right and then turn all the way around. Alright, dropped off the first order. Now we're about probably like half a mile south of the place where you can get water. It's like it's like alkaline water place. We try to drink as much healthy water as possible because water can be pretty bad. Like, it can be pretty gross. Like, especially, I don't know how healthy our well water is, but we have a well at my house. I would imagine it'd probably be more healthy than like getting water bottles or something from like Arrowhead from the grocery store or something. I don't know, but we like to get this alkaline water from this place up here. All right, so for today's topic, I think I'm going to talk about how much I make as a delivery driver and YouTuber as well. So that way I'm not trying like not to brag or anything. I just want to show you guys like how much I make, how lucrative being on YouTube and Doordash are, because I think these are like literally the most two lucrative ways of making money. And just maybe because I know there's a lot of YouTubers out there who are just starting out, who want to do Doordash YouTube videos and all that kind of stuff. So I try to give you guys an idea about how much I'm making, because for those of you who don't know, Doordash videos pay extremely well. on YouTube. And the reason is because DoorDash and other delivery companies they advertise a lot of money on Google, and Google owns YouTube. So generally, a video that I make that's acrobatic related probably makes about 1/10 of a penny per view. And a DoorDash video, on the other hand, makes about 1 to 2 pennies per view because there's more advertisements on it. So, to say the least, it's like a very, very easy way of making extra money. And right now we are sitting at 18, I don't know if you can see that or not, it says 1826 per 28 days. So when you break that, if it's like, for example, this month there's 31 days, so you add on 3 extra days at around average of $60 a day, that's putting me at just over $2,000 a month. And I only say that to hopefully inspire you guys to do this kind of stuff, because it is a very easy way of making passive income. And passive income, I've talked about this many times before, passive income is life-changing. Like the fact that I can wake up every day and I'm going to make some money regardless if I work or not, it's life-changing. It really is, to say the least. And it's made my life a lot easier. So I only hope that you guys can take this bit of advice and use it towards something that you want to do. If you guys haven't yet watched my DoorDash or driver retirement plan video, I made a video all about all the different kinds of passive income, and it is just so important because retirement nowadays, like it sucks. A lot of people don't realize how much their 401k is going to be taxed when they take it out, and even if a lot of people don't even have a 401k. I don't have a 401k. Like a lot of people don't have like a retirement plan, you know, and passive income is the best way to do it. Like it really is, especially because passive income is like a snowball effect. It's not like adding $1 every day. It's like the more you invest, the more the money comes in, and the quicker it's going to go up. So that's why the rich stay rich and the poor stay poor. If you aren't thinking about passive income now, then you really should. And the book Rich Dad Poor Dad was one that really changed my perspective on this, and really like it changed the whole way I think about money. And yeah, like there's a game that we play called Rat Race, and it's like basically trying to create the whole goal of the game is to create enough passive income that you don't have to work anymore. And so like really back to the subject of what I'm talking about is I'm making about $2,000 a month on YouTube, basically making DoorDash videos, and I don't go out of my way to make the YouTube videos. It's literally just me doing my DoorDash as I have been for the last couple of years, you know. I've been doing it for about 3 years or so, and recently I've been doing it every single day. For the longest time, it's sat anywhere from $180 to $300, and don't think that it's an easy way to go, because I spent hours, like weeks, months, like years working for free for YouTube, you know. It is a lot of work, but it is passive income, and it's very nice when it starts to roll in. And then plus I make around I've been making $300 to $400 per week on DoorDash. So when you add it all up, it's about like $3,000 as a DoorDash driver per month. Not that much, but I also don't work very much, you know. I only do it when it's convenient and on my way. Like right now, we're pulling up to the water place, and I didn't really go out of my way at all, but I got a video done today, and I'm gonna hopefully, if we get another order, make around like $16 in this trip. So trying to do things on your way makes it just much better. And again, like I really hope this doesn't come off as cocky at all, but in order for me to be a good financial YouTuber, which is I don't really consider myself to be a DoorDash YouTuber. I consider myself to be a financial entrepreneur, business YouTuber, because that's more important to me. DoorDash is just the most lucrative way I've found to make money, and that's why it is like the main theme of my channel. And again, like I will probably be doing DoorDash for a really long time because of how convenient it is. You know, who doesn't want to make an extra like $16 to go get water, you know? The fact that we can even do that it's a really, I absolutely love it, because there was not ways of making money like this before. Okay, so these are top earning videos. So I hope you guys don't judge me on this, but I'm just showing you guys like the passive income that I make. So basically we go down the line, 2021 DoorDash cheat codes is a video I made about 2, maybe 3 months ago, and that is making $787 right now. That's per 28 days. The next one is strategic gambling delivery. Honestly, I don't know why that video is paying so well. It's at $67. So basically one of them is $787, and then the next one is $70, and I have a bunch of anywhere $70 to $20. There's about 15 to 20 videos that are sitting at that rate, and then it just goes on, and then there's a bunch of videos that are paying me $1 to $10. But I believe I have about 1,000 videos on my channel now. So when you really add it up, like those videos start to add up. So that's why I think of it as buying a stock every single day. Like you're buying a stock for about $1, and sometimes the stock goes up and then sometimes it doesn't go up. It's like, I don't know, but if you just keep adding and adding and buying in, basically, that's the way I think of YouTube videos. If you just keep buying in, then it'll eventually start to come in. You know, it took me 4 years. Like I always tell people this, would you work, comment down below, would you guys work for 3 years for free to start making an extra $50 a month per day? You know, like if you started just making a ton of money, because that's what business is, you know. Business, it took me like probably, we're at year 3 of off-axis footwear, and we're just barely starting to make some decent sales. You know, for the longest time it was just draining my money, but now it's starting to really, like, you know, it's taking on like wheels of its own, and it's really starting to go. So it's like, would you work? That's like what entrepreneurship is. It's very rare that people make a business that's just successful right off the bat. You know, like I would say my stunt show was pretty successful right off the bat, but that's because shows, it wasn't though. You know, it was like 6 months after we booked our first show that we booked our second show. So there was a 6-month period where I wasn't making any money. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy me talking about this kind of stuff. I just want to inspire you guys and show you guys. Also, real quick, if you guys haven't yet, check out if you're interested in doing YouTube stuff, I have a video called YouTube cheat codes or something like that. It's probably about 2 months ago I made it, and it's all about how I make this much money. And the reason, if you guys look at my tags and titles and everything, I use the words money, business, DoorDash. Like if you just look at my titles, I'm literally key terming the videos. You know, there's a title, then it says Daily Dash, and then there's a whole bunch of BS that I just write in there for the algorithm. So if you guys were wondering about that kind of stuff, hopefully this inspires some people out there. I know some people have wrote to me asking about like YouTube stuff and how to do it, so I'm just going to explain it on here rather than respond to you guys personally. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any other questions, and I'll try to answer them in a follow-up video. I guess we'll probably just talk about this again tomorrow. But yeah, let me go fill up this water jug real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, I don't know if you can tell by how dark it is, but that took me about 15 minutes because the guy in front of me had 5 5-gallon jugs of water that he needed to fill up. And that alkaline water stuff, it takes forever to fill up. So we're talking like 3 minutes for each thing, you know? Anyway, so that took way longer than I hoped it would. But in that time, we got an order from KFC, which is in this parking lot, this exact same parking lot that I'm in. So I'm literally just driving right across the parking lot, and we got one that's going straight back by my house. So we're going west. It delivers about like probably maybe a mile south of my house. A little closer than my house though. So it's like literally perfect on the way. We got 2 orders today. I didn't even have to decline any. And this one is going straight back to the house. So this is why I always tell you guys about, I'm trying to show you guys an example of casual dashing, and this is the finest example. Didn't go out of my way at it at all. I'm gonna make $20 and it's just perfectly on the way, you know? It doesn't always end up like this, but mostly every day it stays pretty convenient, and I really don't drive out of my way too much, you know? Hi, I'm picking up at DoorDash for James. Yeah. Awesome, thank you. Alright, be right back. Gonna grab this food. my favorite kind of cup holders. The ones that don't actually work very well and drinks fly and spill everywhere. Ugh, I hate those things. And yeah, I know a lot of you guys said to get my own cup holders things. I'm just not really in the market for that, and I don't really want it's because all my Doordash stuff stays in my car like all day long, and I don't want a bunch of Doordash stuff in my car all the time, you know? I don't know, I just really, Doordash equipment isn't really something that I want to invest into, because yeah, a lot of it is just sitting like, I don't know. Thank you. Yep. Anyways, alright, so now just picked up the order. Now we are literally, I will show you. We are driving straight west, delivering just, it's basically 1 block south of my house. So, totally on the way. Does not get much better than that. And that's how you become a millionaire, guys. 20 bucks at a time. Alright, be right back. Also, real quick, if you guys watch UFC, who do you think is going to win the heavyweight championship? I think this video is going to come out in, today's Wednesday, so it'll come out probably on Friday or so. So tomorrow, who do you guys think is going to win the heavyweight championship? Stipe Miocic or Francis Ngannou? I got my money on Stipe. I love Stipe because he's a firefighter. It's just, he's like the best, like, representative of a fighter as it gets, you know? He's a freaking firefighter. On his spare time from making millions of dollars to fight UFC championships, he also is still a firefighter, and I don't know, that's just like the ultimate like way to stay grounded, I think. And I don't know, Stipe is a really great fighter. But anyways, just had to throw that out there. Comment down below who you guys got your money on. Alright, so because we are literally about to run out of sunlight, it is a beautiful sunset though, because it's kind of rainy, like it rained just a little bit, but yeah, we're about to run out of light, so I'm gonna wrap up the video right here. We are about to drop off this food, but we're not there yet. Anyways, if you guys haven't yet, please consider subscribing to the channel, and please again like this video. Greatly helps out my channel a lot, so just click that thumbs up button just real quick, just do it. Thanks. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.